Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today's recipe is a creamy pesto ravioli and the spinach and pear salad. As usual, detailed ingredients are at the end of the video and in the description box as well. So let's get started with pouring boiled water from the kettle on our ravioli, and we're not going to cook them just yet. We're going to just cover them and then set them aside as we start on our sauce in a different pan on medium heat. Pour out your pesto sauce of choice into the pan and let it heat up. Then add in your mushrooms and mix until they are completely covered and semi-cooked. Don't forget we're going to add in our seasoning, which is just salt and pepper. And season a bit heavily because we are adding in heavy cream, which will dilute the seasonings. We're going to let that cook all together for a while and let the mushroom flavor and the pesto flavor get infused into the heavy cream before we start adding in the ravioli into the whole sauce. We're going to top it off with some oregano and salt and pepper again, and feel free to add on whatever other seasoning that you would like to add. Then we're going to transfer it into a baking dish or a casserole dish. Then we're going to add in some freshly shaved Parmesan cheese, shredded mozzarella, and then also cover it with chopped walnuts, roughly chopped walnuts, as much or as little as you like. Now we're going to pop it into the oven to get a nice toasting on top and get the cheese all bubbly. Now while the pasta is in the oven, let's start assembling our pear salad. In a bowl, we'll put in our baby spinach leaves, then add in our pears that we've soaked in blood orange juice. And if you don't have that, you don't need the bloody orange juice or vampire stuff like that. You can use normal orange juice. And the reason we do that is to stop the pears from oxidizing and turning black. Then we'll sprinkle pomegranate seeds, drizzle with olive oil, balsamic vinegar or balsamic glaze would even be better, salt and pepper, and mix. Take your pasta casserole out of the oven and let it cool down before serving, and that's pretty much it. By the time you're done making your salad, your pasta is ready to be served and devoured and enjoyed, and you have a full delicious meal to enjoy ahead of you. And the best part of this is you don't have to make anything from scratch, and you don't have to be extremely skilled in cooking to make such a delicious meal. And people will think you're such a great chef. And as usual, if you made it this far in the video and you liked it, please give us a like and subscribe, and have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!